Are you wondering what homeowner experience means and why I call my business that? Today I'm going to explain this core mission statement about my business and what it means to my clients and how it's going to help you experience the difference. I'm Theresa Wellman with HomeownerExperience.com, a local San Jose, California realtor. Many years ago when I started my business, I sat down and thought about the core mission of the service that I wanted to provide for my clients. And in that process, I came up with the name Homeowner Experience. So today I want to explain exactly what that means to me so that you as my clients can benefit from this service. There are 4 points that I'm going to cover. The first one is empowering you to make the wisest decisions. So what I mean here is working as a team together to provide all the information or find out all the information that you need to make the best decision for you. The key part here is definitely teamwork. In this process of working together, I will help you understand your goals, write down your goals, and then work together with you to achieve those goals. And that's what empowering you to make the wisest decisions means. Mission principle number 2 is step-by-step real estate guidance. Coming from a technical engineering background, I think very methodically. So it's really important for me that you feel this step-by-step guidance while I constantly pace you to the next step, as well as lead you in a direction to get to your end goal. A key element of this one is I'm going to lead you at whatever pace you are comfortable with. Some clients, that could be weeks at full speed. Others, it could be 8 months slowly researching and methodically preparing for the big move. The third part of homeowner experience is guided research and strategic planning. I thrive on charts and data and proven processes, and I want to use that skill that I have developed over many years in the corporate world as well as in real estate to help you through this entire process. It's really important to understand what the market is doing and how that interacts with your plans so that we can set up a step-by-step process to get you to your goal. Then we're going to talk a timeline and really set up specific goals week by week, maybe even day by day, of what you need to accomplish in order to meet that goal. And I will guide you through that entire process, encouraging you and answering all questions that you have. And the fourth aspect is professional execution of your unique transition. So everybody's move is different, obviously. Some people need to move right away and will have to sell a property vacant. Or some people need to buy really quickly or need to save up before they can buy. Everybody has a different process, and so each new transition is very unique. I am known by my clients to be a mover and a shaker and definitely get things done. So I will be there to help you execute all the details that you need in order to meet your goal. I have a track record of successful execution and providing valuable connections so that you can meet the end goal. My clients tell me they feel informed, guided, and not at all rushed through the process. I really encourage you to take a look at my reviews to get more recent and continuing updates on my service. I wish this kind of homeowner experience to all of my clients, whether you're buying or selling. So please reach out for further questions or research my website. Thanks so much for listening.